So guess what now? This a new video is also sponsored by Sophia Eternal, aka Aliyah Sky. You know what I mean? She does a lot of stuff. You're gonna see the thing I'm gonna put right there so right now. So you're gonna see what I go on. You're gonna see her links them and all these things. And guess what? Pretty soon we're gonna do a little YouTube live where she go there for telling her what I go on. Come know say, when I see but you don't really understand. You know what I mean? It's just for warm on up man, for when the real thing come. Right now I should be wearing a shirt. But based on, I tell you, I have a million and one things I do. Alright? Just to be honest, straight and plain. So you are going now. As usual, me chat too much. The movie is right there waiting for you. So check it out, tell me what I go on, do the same thing. You know what I mean? For the new family members, subscribe, man. You know what I mean? Like and share. You know what I mean? Everybody who did it a long time, the 22,000 people who did it, the family members who did it, them know what to do already. So them go like, then go share it, and then go comment. But do the same, alright? So blessed, and shut up right now. Watch the movie, alright? Oh!
She's not busy due to this work. Work. Mommy. Let me check. Hope she responds. Hi, Mommy. No problem.
Hold on. Walk on. Come on.
I'm good.
Oh, damn bees. Alright, you can see me?
Yes, I can see you, Mom.
Alright, how you do?
I'm fine. I'm just home thinking about you, so why not call?
Oh, okay. Yeah, me there. The sun come over to answer, so me there at the park I walk, So me get some vitamin D.
Okay.
So you look a bit down though. You eat anything for morning?
I'm actually here eating some snacks. One of my favorite. Nothing much. Everything is okay with me. What's going on with you?
Yeah, like me say, me just there. I kind of take it easy, get a little bit of the vitamin D, come at the park. But look like yourself, cheery and everything. You sure nothing not going?
Yes, Mommy, everything good.
You sure?
Yes, Mom, I'm good. I'm fine. Seeing you make me even better. I love you.
Love you to my daughter.
And you're still pretty like me, but I'm prettier.
Nobody's supposed to be prettier, you're younger.
Okay, you're pretty.
You you're supposed to be prettier.
Okay,
So
mommy.
you're sure everything alright? There's nothing for me.
Everything good. Home is good. My brother is fine. Everybody okay.
Everybody alright?
Everyone okay. It's just the crime in Jamaica now is my problem.
Well, I don't really see a problem that, that bigger than you. All you have to do just try to keep yourself safe and out. I mean, even though we try, but, the company, the type of company that where you keep and so, you have to be careful of that and places where you go because that bigger than you, that's a fight where you can't even find up to take on.
So sad.
So, and just remember to continue to pray and always put God first as a razor. So never forget that.
Never.
Center your life.
God all the way.
Alright, so my daughter, you sure everything good? One to the boyfriend the way you did that? Is everything still alright with you?
Mommy, no. I'm gone.
What do you mean he gone? He gone where?
But him dead.
So wait a second. So
Alright. He left from Jamaica to overseas to return and he did not return. So I got the news that he died.
okay. Well, so well, how you holding up? Because them something you sometimes you don't even know because all kind of stuff can happen and you could still even probably still alive. But how you doing? How you handling it?
Mom, it's not easy. It's not easy to be honest. All I'm doing is trying to build a relationship with myself. I just spend time with myself, talk to myself, and try to keep the faith and try to overcome this. It's very painful to lose him. We were very close. We have this close chemistry and relationship, and he just gone without even saying, Sky, goodbye. I love you. You know, he would say goodbye. He just left. He just left, Mom.
It rough, my daughter. It rough, and then me not there. But what happened to that doctor there? They have one doctor out there named I think he named Dr. Goodman or something to that. Maybe you should have go see him. I'm going to send something for you and maybe you see him and talk to him in the meantime because me not there. And when them something happen, it rough, it can cause problem and why you get to the stage or big problem coming. So me not feel good now you tell me that, but I'm going to call you back.
What's the doctor name, Dr. Goodman?
I think I saw his name. I wanna my name. You know him. I wanna my friend. Husband. Psychologist or psychiatrist. I remember. Yeah, my daughter. You know why me know say rough and me not dead. So I'll send something for you and you check Dr. Goodman. Because like me say, one of my friends. People me hear about him. And we will talk more because me call you back and talk more because it start to get cool again and so me there at the park, like so me there at the park and me and that shade and me cool. So me call you back again, alright my daughter?
Alright, stay safe, mommy. I love you.
Love you, but remember me say make sure God is at the center. And we know that sometimes when things like this happen, we tend to to give up God and so, but not give him up. Continue to pray and stay strong. I love you and we call you back later. Alright, when you go home, I'm going to send out something so you can contact Dr. Goodman, alright?
Okay, best moment ever.
Alright, love you my daughter. We talk later.
Mwah, mwah. Bye.
Bye.
Henry speaking. Let me check on my schedule. Alright, so yes, I'll be available. Does 9 a.m. work for you? Okay, sure. Yes, man. So whenever you're ready, between 9 to 10 a.m. Alright, see you then. Okay. Security?
The boss.
Security?
Yes, boss. I'm coming, boss.
Come, just a minute.
Yes, boss.
Alright, have a seat. I need to talk with you.
Yes, boss.
So I had to call you twice.
Boss, I was just using the bathroom downstairs.
Using the bathroom all the time. That's what you've been doing.
No, boss. No. Today is not the day for, to stress you, boss. I know it's the first day of the week, boss. You understand? So I wouldn't do that, boss.
Look here, man. You've been messing around with this job, you know. Do you want this job?
I need the job, boss.
It don't seem like you want the job.
I need the job because I'm tired to wash the car. I'm tired.
Listen, man, I employed you for a reason here.
Yes, boss.
So don't mess this up for me.
All right, boss.
You're not being punctual. From the other day, you've been going on the road and you've been smoking.
Boss, just one cigarette, boss.
If you're here for a reason.
Yes, boss.
I need you to stay at your post and don't be walking up and down like a fugitive. Okay?
Yes, boss. I will.
As a matter of fact, I'm expecting some persons.
Right now, boss?
Best behavior. That's what I need.
Yes, boss. I will make sure that...
As a matter of fact, what is your job here? What are you doing here?
To secure the place. I make
to
sure...
To secure the place. Is it to smoke?
You smell it upon me, boss?
Yes, I do.
Alright, sorry, boss.
And I see you through that window.
May I change my shirt, boss? But sorry about that, boss. It will never happen again, boss.
You know, I've been receiving some complaints about you and I haven't said anything.
About me?
Yes,
Saying what? Oh, but... Boss, I'm sorry, boss.
You're not at your post. That's a complaint. You need to be there at all times. You see this building here?
Yes,
it's
boss.
very important. And we cannot afford for any mishap to happen. Should I replace you?
No, boss. Please don't do that, boss. I really need a job, boss. And you see, having a job like this is good for me in regards to my resume. Because where I come from, people don't like people like me, don't they?
Well, I cannot say that I care about where you come from. But the next time you think about messing up, think about your job.
Yes, boss.
Or else I'll be forced to fire you. Okay?
Okay, boss.
You may leave.
Alright, boss. So, the food done, boss? I'm straight away.
It's okay. Go and do your job.
All
your
right.
job is not to control my food. Go and do your job.
Alright,
Bye.
boss. Have a good day, boss.
You too. Bye.
I think I see a lady downstairs wanting to cover. Should I let her pass?
No, leave her down there. Go and do your job.
Yes, boss.
How did you come in here? You did not knock. Who let you in?
The security, of course, some feel let in myself.
And you did not bother to knock?
I don't see no door.
You know what? It's not your fault. It's okay. Let me call the security.
You have one door, miss? I don't see no door for knock on.
Security? Imagine I just let you off with a stern warning and you managed to mess up so quickly. Listen. You know what, as a matter of fact, it's okay. I got this. Yes, ma'am. So sorry about that. It's just that we have to follow protocol in... It's okay. It's okay. Alright, so what's your name? What's your name, miss? Alright, let's see what's happening here. Alright, it's okay. It's okay. You're safe. You are safe. What's your name? No, calm down. What's your name so I can help you? Would you like to tell me your name? Why are you here? Let's have a conversation.
My name Dimple.
Dimple?
Yes.
Alright, Dimple. So why are you here? Why did you come here today? Take your time, no rush. Why are you here today?
Did I ask myself one question?
Ask yourself a question, alright? What's that question?
But me did answer myself already. I want to figure if I see him and say I give me.
What's the question? Let me see if I have the answer or I can answer.
Did I ask myself if my husband private part too short or too long?
Alright, so
But me answer myself already. If me think it too long.
too long. Alright. No, Dimple, is there anybody that I can contact for you?
Contact?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean?
Is there anybody that I can call for you?
Anybody?
Yes.
So funny for people that me have in my place.
No, man,
Alright.
like your family, any friend, anybody that can talk to for you?
Family?
Mm-hmm.
Family.
Yeah. Like
Right.
your relatives, anybody at all.
Relative.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, somebody me live with.
Mm-hmm. Who are they?
Dorian.
Mm-hmm.
Public.
Mm-hmm.
All that.
Awesome.
Yes.
Alright, do you know the numbers?
They don't have no phone.
No, no phone?
Mm-mm.
Alright, no problem.
They always go over next door, go borrow people them phone.
Okay.
But the card pop off.
Alright, here's what I'm going to do.
But they still use your make call.
They do?
Yes.
Alright, so here's what I am going to be doing for you today. I want you to go home
Home?
and I'm going to give you a
What do you
business
mean?
card. Go home where you're coming from right now. Alright, I want you to
I don't know where Riverton dump me I come from.
That's where you live? Oh my God.
Anything more want to eat, me go down there go get it.
Your situation sounds really sad.
No, the people them throw whole heap of things over Riverton dump and me go down there go take them out. And me cook rice and chicken. You
Alright.
want some?
Thank you so much. I appreciate the thought.
They have food.
Alright, you can have it. You can have it.
They have food.
It's okay. It's okay.
This not taste good.
It's okay. Take your time. Take your time. It's alright. Alright, so here's what I'm going to be doing. You can have the rest of it, okay? You can bring it home and share it with your brother. So here's what I'm going to be doing for you.
If you give me food,
You were just eating the food.
it not smell good.
But you said that you liked it.
Me like the one when I been.
Alright, no problem.
But you
So,
cook this right here?
I bought it on the road. If you don't want it, you can leave it. But if you want it, it's fine.
It's a nasty girl.
No man, that's alright. Let's calm down. Calm
You.
down. Calm down.
They're too nasty.
Calm down.
Look what you do. Look there.
Jesus, have mercy.
Nasty.
Oh my God. So,
What this? What you do?
alright, calm down. This is my private stuff. I cannot show this to you. This is client information. Alright? But not to worry. Calm down.
Who for key this?
Calm down, miss. You're touching everything in here. Calm down. This is what I want you to do. This is my card. I want you to go home.
Your card.
Yes.
At least I use the
I
machine
want
and take
to-
out money.
No. This is my card with all my contact and this is all my numbers. So I want you to go home and I want you to give me a call. Whosoever that you have at home, tell them to give me a call and we can take it from
My nose
there.
has scratched me.
I don't have any napkin, you know.
I shit me smell.
Miss, you're not smelling any feces right now. This is an office. I don't have feces laying around in here. Alright? Just relax, relax. I know what you're feeling. Relax. I know what you're feeling.
Your baby.
I showered this morning, but it's okay. Alright, so I'm gonna have to escort you now. Have another client, okay? But please feel free to give me a call and come back with somebody so we can start
What is
your
this?
treatment.
What
This is
is
my number on here. Alright, so we need to start your treatment.
Number?
Something is going on up here.
My eye.
Alright?
My eye. Something.
No man, somebody at home can see it for you.
Something looking at my eye.
I'll have to escort you now. Let's go.
Look something in
Alright, let me look. It's fine, it's okay.
Look right here.
It's fine, man, it's fine. It's fine. Come, let's go. Let's go. We have to go. Come, we have to go. Alright, this is where I draw the line. Just relax. Give me a second. It's okay. It's gonna be okay, okay? Jesus. Relax, relax. You're gonna be okay. You're in safe hands. Yes, security. I need you to come to the office. Right now. Security! 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 Come, let me go, miss.
Miss, what's the problem here? What's the problem here?
Wow. Shower is great. Yeah. Best mommy ever. How are you, mom?
You can see me alright?
Yes, I can.
I look like something up on the screen there. You see anything on your screen?
I'm just seeing a beautiful mommy.
Oh, okay. So as long as you can see me, but I'm not gone the glasses. Alright, there we go. So we're good.
I just had a bath. I wish I was there to just lotion my skin for me.
I'm the daughter. I tell you. Oh, go on otherwise.
I'm good, just checking on my mommy.
Much better.
Yeah, I'm good.
My daughter.
I can see.
You did go and get the thing that we sent for you the other day?
Yes, I did. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So, what else are gone?
I, went to the beach early on today. Got home a few minutes ago. Had a shower. I feel so relaxed and nice. This nice feeling after so long. So I said, why not call you on to share my experience about the beach and how I felt and how happy I am now to see your face again shining like the bright sun.
I wish we did that for taking some of the seawater then.
Indeed.
Yeah. But you good otherwise though?
I'm fine. I could be better if you was here with me right now.
Well, me don't plan for coming up, but my daughter, me don't even know if I tell you this. You see me there, at the doctor office, me just come out and we go in there and they tell me one bag of something. We don't even know if it start from give me some medication and kind of thing, but I never listen for them what they say. That kind of my portion, but the Bible say, seek ye physician. So even though I put God first, me still I feel kinda can be stupid, but me don't take what them say. So all we can say, we just pray and what is what, and that is it. So me never really focus on what them tell me say right,
My God. So how are you feeling? Are you okay? Have you eaten? How are you, Mom?
Well, so me wasn't feeling well and it start to feel weak chicken and something there and things. So I have no appetite. I not stress myself, yeah, because stress don't make anything better.
Which is true. Well, I need for you not to worry. You'll be fine. I'll be praying for you. Just keep the faith going and get your rest, eat on time, and take your meds where necessary. Please, Mom. Please, I need you to be okay.
It's gonna be alright. When I work, when I stress myself, you know, remember say we raised in a Christian home and your great grandfather in passed on at 106. So, you know, we got them the kind of blood and bloodline in our family and just keep the faith. So, I mean, as human being, it's natural to think, but at the same token, I feel like the Lord take the steering wheel, you know?
Yes, Mommy.
So, I don't want you to stress yourself or anything like that.
I'm not stressing, but you're my mom, so what do you expect? I'm gonna care about you, Mom. You're my mom, I'm gonna care.
Just pray, and whatever the Lord have in store, He will order. Whatever case it will be, it'll be alright, it is well.
Whatever case it will be.
Yeah, man, it will be well. It will be well. Whatever end result is, it will be well.
Anyways, Mommy, I have to call you back. I'll keep in check with you. And I'll be praying just the same.
Alright, my daughter, I love you. We will talk later because I'm kind of tired, you know, and I want to take my time and drive back home.
Be safe on the road. Be safe on the road. And don't use the phone while driving. Jamaica and America is not the same place. We know this.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Alright, my daughter, love you, my daughter. Stay pretty and stay safe. And we talk later, God's will, alright?
Love you more, Mommy. Best mommy ever.
Alright, bye.
Mwah.
Alright.
Alright, dear. Bye. Oh my God. So blessed of this mommy. Thank you, Lord. Adria, relax. Stop it, just stay myself. Don't stop. Right. Jesus, me just have this good bond with myself, this nice relationship. So me can't talk to myself again. Me say me no mad, stop call my phone, man. Me no need no help from you, me alright by myself, me no need no family, no friend. Me have me, myself and I. Me not get attached to nobody to come hurt me. You understand? Me just alright by myself. Me say me good every time you come, me alright, me no must good. Me never good in our ear, but in the newspaper, me good. You want if my mother? So when I talk to myself, my mother, you don't understand the relationship me have with myself. It's just a nice bond. Everybody should have this bond with themselves. You get to know yourself more and everything like that. It's a great feeling. Me say me no mad. You know what me call it back? Here, me call it back. I call this phone. I call me if I'm good. Me no most good. Eh? Look at my picture. Adria? Don't remember this weather day, girl. So good girl. What are we gonna do today? Oh yeah, we're gonna somebody will call my Mister, stop calling my phone. Stop calling my phone. No, Mister, me no mad. Stop calling my phone now. I'm gonna block you. I gonna block you. I gonna block you. Stop calling my phone now. I want to be myself. I want to be myself. I talk to myself a while ago. You come interrupt me. True. Alright, girl. Sorry about that. Back to you now. So, we could watch movies, yeah? Your favorite Nigerian movies. Maybe we could grab some pizza or some butter and cheese. I can't wait. Me time, I can't wait. Hey. I come call my phone. I can't block him, see? Ring. I call my phone about this and that and about my mother. After me not eat the rubbish bin. Sure. I'm going to put on my face because she grudge me for my pretty face. Sure, I'm mad, so she can't get my pretty face. Girl, I love you. I love you so much. Girl, I love you. Andrea, I love you so much. Thank you, babe. Woo! Time. time. Eh? You can call one more time and talk to yourself. You mash up the phone, you know. Listen, no, calm my phone. Calm my phone. Eh? And the TV now function. I'm gonna watch my TV. I'm gonna watch my TV. You don't tell me something about it. Adria, you're talking to me. Adria, why you behaving like? I'm sorry, babe. I'm gonna watch it on the phone.
You know, something I want to talk to you about something. Because people tell me things while going with you. I don't say I don't really love to talk to people about your feelings on this. But people tell me say I talk to yourself. Like I shut everybody out and I talk to nobody. But no, nothing wrong with you, I be alone with people, you know, but to level where I do it not even make sense. You behave crazy. See how I did it when me look for you, I see him to me catch you do. People tell me say I have conversation with yourself and I answer and I talk back to yourself. No man, me feel like me don't know, me not say you're crazy, you know. But me think something happened to you. I don't know if you have depression or anxiety, but you need help. You know some love you. I just nobody get mad on this. I just be honest. That's why I go call one doctor. I know say you don't want to call no doctor. I know say you're a doctor or a friend. But you have to go to one doctor. Listen, at least go one time. Go one time, see what the doctor said. Just talk to the doctor. You know, say if you don't want to talk to me, at least talk to somebody. You get what I say? Just one time. My only time I ever go to one therapist. Just one time. Yes. Alright. You know some of you. Just one time. Alright, I go call the therapist. Because I'm one of the best therapists in our country right now. Yeah. Yeah, later. I'm not even, but you need help. That's why I care the best therapist in our country. Dr. Henry.
Thanks.
Take care of yourself. I'm call you.
I'll call if anything too.
Welcome. Let me have a seat.
Thanks.
Yes, so what's your name?
My name?
Yes.
Address Kyle Ramirez.
Address Kyle Ramirez. You know
Ramirez.
Ramirez? Ramirez. Okay. That's a very unique name. I've never heard it before.
Address Kyle is my first name and Ramirez is my surname.
Okay. So, Miss Ramirez, right? You're not married?
I'm single.
You're single. All right, so that's Miss Ramirez. What brought you here today?
What?
What brought you here today? Why are you here today?
My brother insists I should be here today.
Well, I was speaking with him earlier, but do you care to elaborate more on that for me so I can have a better understanding?
Him wants to me mad, partially or fully, so him think use the best. According to him, what you saying him, Dr. what?
Henry.
Him say the best, so him thinks I should be here today, so that's why I'm here today. My brother said I should be here, so I'm here today.
Okay. So that's what your brother said. What do you think is happening with you?
I think I'm normal.
Normal.
Not mad, not crazy, not insane. I'm just me.
Alright.
Adria.
So, Miss Omeres, why do you think your brother is of that opinion?
According to him and other people, like my sisters, my aunts, friends, them say me talk to myself, but she's abnormal. It's strange, it's weird. To me, it's not.
Okay.
I enjoy speaking to myself. At least I'm my own best friend. I won't hurt myself. I won't betray myself. I will always have me, so why not have a great bond with myself? So people find it strange.
Okay.
They think I'm psycho up here, so I'm so person now walk. You know, I walk to them.
Okay, Miss Omeres. So based on what I'm hearing, I am not able to make a diagnosis just yet. But it appears as though you're in denial of a particular fact. I'm not sure if that is correct.
So why am I mad?
No, Miss Omeres, calm down. That's not what I'm trying to say any at all. I'm just trying to understand the situation better. All right, so you are saying that your relatives, your friends, your brother and all is saying that you are mad, you're not normal and so on. But I'm asking you now, Miss Omeres, what do you think is the problem? You're saying that you think you're normal, right?
All right. To me, yes, me normal, but can you help me? Truth of the matter is this: I wasn't always like this. Like, I lost my mom.
Okay.
I lost a child.
Okay.
I lost so many things in this life, the ones closest to me.
Okay.
So I learned to depend on myself because I'm the only person I'm seeing every day. My mom dead and gone. Pitney dead and gone.
Okay.
Baby father passed and gone. Grandmother, grandpapa dead and gone. The ones I cherish gone.
Okay.
So I see me every day. I see me every day, the beautiful sky, the beautiful Adria. I see myself around me, so how comes me can't talk to myself?
Alright, so I think we're getting somewhere now because you just highlighted the fact that you've lost so many things. I definitely understand. I may not be able to relate because I have lost a child or a mother, but I understand and I can definitely help you. Alright, I just want you to calm down and give me a chance to help you.
So I'm not mad, right? I'm not mad.
We will leave that for further discussion.
Alright, proceed.
Alright. Now, I'm going to be asking you some questions and I want you to give me some detailed response.
No problem.
Alright. When do you normally feel this type of way? When do you normally talk to yourself?
Every day.
Every day. So there's no particular trigger for that sort of behavior.
No, but I talk to myself every day.
So what do you talk to yourself and say?
I'm sorry, this is just me. Adria, you're beautiful. You're the best. I love you. Thanks for being here. Thanks for always checking upon me. I want to go to the movies, turn on the TV time. Nice stuff.
Okay.
Not true.
Well, that sounds really hard for you because from experience, I know that is not normal. However, you may disagree with me. Miss Omeres, calm down. Alright? You may disagree with me, you may disagree with your relatives, but I can tell you from a doctor's perspective that is not normal behavior. Okay? Nobody talks to themselves. Okay?
Am I not human? I'm
Yes,
someone,
yes,
so why
you
can't
are
I talk to
human.
someone?
Yes, you are human, but it's just not normal for you to be talking to yourself. Alright? No, I think I've gathered enough information here.
You said question.
And-
What's the next question?
Alright, that's the end of the questions because I've gathered the information that I need. I think you're struggling with depression. What I can do, however, is to prescribe some pills for you, and you're going to be taking these pills on strict order. So you're not allowed to skip the pills. Okay? And you will feel better eventually. No judgment on my side, it's okay. Do not feel embarrassed. Do not feel any way about the situation. things is gonna be okay.
What depression mean? You say maybe I go through what you say? May I go through depression or maybe I go through depression?
You are going through depression. There's no doubt about that. Based on your symptoms, you are going through depression.
What name depression?
Alright, so depression is basically a mental condition where you regularly have mood swings, you keep talking to yourself and stuff like that. It can be confused with PTSD, but that is not your case since you've been talking to yourself. Okay?
So depression is mental.
It is a mental condition.
That means I am mental.
That means, Miss Omeres, that you are going through depression. It is not somewhat mental like people would say mad. I'm not trying to call you mad, Miss Omeres. It's just that you're going through depression. You're going through the first phase of depression. But if we are able to take these medication in time, then you won't matriculate to the latter stage of depression. Is that clear?
Doctor, what you saying him?
I am Dr. Henry, Miss Omeres.
Just break down the words some me I say matriculate, matriculate. Take time with me, I'm not so intellectual.
Alright, Miss Omeres.
Break it down.
Alright, let me give you
Cheese.
a better understanding. Have you ever heard about persons with cancer?
I killed my granny.
Alright, so you know that there are stages to cancer. Right. So you are at the first stage of depression. Just like how somebody's at the first stage of cancer where it's severe, but it's not deadly to the fact that you're going to die immediately. You are at the first stage of depression where it can still be treated and you can still get over it. Is it better for you? So you can relate. Alright, not so clear. Alright, eventually you will get there. Alright, Mr. Omeres, so I have a prescription here. Just a second. So it's going to be 2 pills, however. I am going to be giving you one.
2 what?
2 pills. So one is on the prescription and then...
2 what?
2 pills.
I don't need your pills.
Why? This is going to help you, Miss Omeres.
These are what killed my mom. These same pills overall killed my mom.
Omeres.
They gave me wrong medication. They killed my mom. The pills. They treated for us, but she did not. I don't want those pills. I don't want those pills.
Look what you made me do. Miss Omeres. Miss Omeres. Oh my God. Miss Omeres. This is not good at all. Yes, security. Come, I need you in the office right now. Seems like we have another patient, you know. We have another mad one. Come on, quickly. She's not responding. Miss Omeres. Quickly. My Jesus. Oh my God. How she know? Are you okay? Are you feeling okay now? You want some water?
What am I?
Alright, so you're at my office. I'm a psychiatrist. Are you okay? Would you like some water? Tell me, are you okay?
Sure.
Let me get some water. Drink up. I know you must be thirsty. It's a good water. So tell me, what can you remember? Can you remember anything at all?
Where?
You're at my office. I'm a doctor. I'm the psychotherapist. You remember where you live?
I don't, but I guess you know.
Alright, so I have a card with all your information that I wrote down. You can go.
I can what? I can what?
You can go.
I don't know where to go.
I have all your information. Come. Quickly, man. Quickly. You have to go now.
What? Why? The water.
Alright, stand up here. Let me make a call. Oh my god. It's okay. Relax.
What has happened? Why am I here? I can't remember.
It's okay.
anything.
You don't need to be asking any questions right now. Alright? My word. Security. I've been calling you from the other... Come on, I've been calling you. Where are you?
Security is on duty.
Security, come. No talking. Come. But I'm going to give you your card with your address on it that you gave me, and you can just run home. Come, let's go.
What's my name?
You don't remember anything?
I don't even know which color is this. What have you done to me, miss?
Alright, I can explain.
Did I came here with a loss of memory? What happened?
No. You will figure it out as time goes by. But you have to leave my office right now. Alright? Come, so I'm gonna give you the information out here. No man, you can't cry. You're going out here like that. Put a smile on your face. You want to get me in trouble?
Smile, but for loss of memory.
Your memory is not lost, man. Just smile. Smile. What? Stick a pin. Hold on to this. Smile. Yes. Security. Relax. Anything you come into this room and see, let it stay between us. You ask too much question. Just come in. Don't say a word to anybody. Come in, quickly. So this girl, right? She came in here last night. She's one of my patients, but she was acting weird as always, like others. So I had to cut her 2 bucks. So I brought her here. But, you know, don't say anything. I just want to get rid of her now.
So what is your name?
I don't even... Adria, Miss Omeres. That's your name, right, miss?
I said I don't remember.
She don't remember.
So you don't remember she doing anything to you then?
I don't even know who she is.
That's what I want.
Alright, boss. So basically, just give her the write down the information. Can you she not know.
It's on her file, man. You talk too much.
Alright, boss.
Come, just get her out. It's on her file. I'm coming to give it to you.
Come.
Now, just smile before you go. Smile. You want to get me in problem? Smile. Alright, so we're good friends, right? Dr. Henry. Alright, Mr. Mary. Have a great rest of your day. Oh my God.
Boss.
Security.
Boss.
I don't know, you know.
You box the patient, boss?
And who are you to be questioning my professionality?
Boss, it's not about professionality, it's about me and you going to prison.
We're not going to prison. I'm a doctor, for Christ's sake.
For what? You box them and them backside, eh?
I got my doctorate. Nobody can send me to prison.
And that you say?
Mm-hmm.
So you feel that, boss, alright? Let me shut them up, come on. Alright, boss.
That's what you should do. Go back to your post.
What your name is it? What is your name?
I don't remember. It's supposed to be on the paper. You can tell me my name, please?
You have any sugar? Want sugar? Give me sugar. Give me sugar now. Give me sugar.
You can tell me my name?
Name?
My name should be on this. My name.
Your name?
Thank you. Me.
Your name 1876.
That's my name?
Yes. 1876.
Thank you.
No.
I need it. My number and address should be on it. Please. Please, ma'am. I'm gonna get you want the sugar? Pay upon sugar, pay upon sugar, pay upon.
1876, come here.
1876. My name, 1876.
Come here. Come here. Come here now. Come right here, son. Come right here, son. 1876. 1876. 1876.
1876.
176.
1876. That's my name?
Yes.
Yeah.
187. 6. How much do we have?
6,000.
Eh? Let me see your toe. Your toe them long and short. Woo! Woo!
What's the name? So what's their name?
Come here. 1876. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Wait. Come. Shh. Count your toe them.
10.
No.
20.
No. 59. 31. You have to learn to count. Learn to count. 18. 26. 100 do we have. You have to learn to count. You eat already? Yeah, you have to eat this. And breakfast. I always eat it for my breakfast.
Yes.
So light. This. Bite. Come on. Now carry over my yard. Come. Right there for me live. And like when you don't have nowhere to stay, you have to come stay with me in the bush. Bush a good place to live. You're not paying no current.
I yes a name bush.
Bush?
As a bush look.
Bush.
I think I want big broad something
Bush.
with door and peak minute.
Shh. A good place to live, right after. You not pay no water rate, no light bill, no rent.
What them water rate?
Water rate?
What them so?
When you go to school and use the pen and the ink come out. Water rate. Come. You have to sleep. Right here, son.
May I come?
See this? This on my plate. I eat out of it.
So eat now?
Me eat already. It dirty. So.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
I'm here about my sister, Adria Sky. I brought her the other day. I haven't been getting any calls from her. I've been trying to get to her, but nobody has seen her. You were the last person, I believe. She hasn't been answering my calls.
Listen, I'm not in the best of mood right now. I know it's not professional, but I do not wish to engage in any conversation based on my mood. So to avoid any further confrontation or the spilling of my mood, I would just want to tell you that we should probably talk on another day.
Talk another day?
Yeah.
But I would like to know what is your diagnosis and where's my sister? Like,
all you need to know, she's mad.
To be honest, that's very unprofessional.
And I'm aware. Come back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow.
Sir, you're not hearing me or something. I said come back tomorrow. You keep repeating what I said. I said come back tomorrow.
Alright, can I get no attitude in me just to ask myself?
And you're still standing here.
See, just go tell me some sister, man. That don't make no sense.
What's wrong
you
with
get no
Stephen?
pill no, like that. I don't know which one my sister there.
She clearly refused the pill. But sir, I don't want to talk about
She
it right
refused
now.
the pill? So where is she?
Sir, can we talk about it tomorrow? Should I call the security?
You don't have to call no security. Me just wanted to know where my sister is.
Just leave.
Alright.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. So guess what? From the day, so right now, that means I know watch the whole thing. You know what I mean? So, but mosquito they bite me. Here I go now. I don't know anything about it. This is sponsored by Aliyah Sky. You know what I mean? And she is eager and anxious to come tell you exactly what going on. We know to see the logo, the flashy lights and all these things. And when I say yeah, it look nice. You know what I mean? So it's Saphir Eternal. And she'll come in, me tell you already, I tell you again. But guess what? Thanks for watching, thanks for sharing, thanks for liking, thanks for watching to the end. And yes, I end, alright? So see you next time until we meet again. Till we meet again. Oh!